Good day. This is Jim. Sawlogs Plastic Hubs is my shop name. My channel name is Jim Deadman. Welcome to my machining videos that I'm putting out on YouTube for your pleasure, entertainment, and some education. Today's video will be whatever that the title of the video is that I'm working on. It's just a new kind of introduction that I'm going to put out there. A little bit about myself that maybe hasn't been put out in my other videos, just for general information for you guys. I'm a retired employee who worked in the machining area of Eaton Corporation for 40 years. So a lot of my time there was spent, about half of it was spent with CNC lathes, which I'm intimately familiar with. My early career, for about 3 years, I apprenticed in a local machine shop, and that's where I learned some of the basic skills that I use today. So my shop is something that I just work on projects, things I want to do here at home. So I hope you enjoy these videos. There's a lot of them I already have shot. We'll keep shooting more for you. There's things that you can do in your own home shop with minimal expertise, I'm going to say sometimes. I do take on some difficult little projects from time to time that's involved. Some of the things I do, I will be honest, it's probably more trouble than worth, but like I'm fond of saying, I'm retired and got more time than I have money sometimes. And that was part of the goal of setting this shop up, is to keep myself busy in my retirement. Because after spending so many years in a heavy overtime environment that I work for Eaton, this is a relaxation. I can come out and work 3 or 4 hours and walk away. So I try not to take on very many long, big projects for other people. I will if I'm pinched. If somebody asks me to help them out, I'll be glad to. So on today to today's project, whatever it may be. And I hope you enjoy the video and whatever I'm producing today. And like I say, enjoy. And if you like what you see, please comment, rate, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And enjoy. So, welcome to Grandpa's Toy Repair. I got a toy trash can I'm going to try to fix. The problem here is that the grandson broke the trash can. So what I'm trying to do is figure a way to fix it with what I have. So what I'm going to do is make it a little different, just because I can, make it easier to fix. So what I'm going to do is make a little Durlin wheels, 2 of them, use the plastic shaft and put a spacer in between it and glue it. So I'm starting on the Durlin wheels, and I've turned them. They already had this step. So I'm going to kind of ease the edges off a little bit, and then we're going to, I just trued this up a little here just to get this true. It's not going to be the exact way it was, but the wheels will be worth more than the trash can. I'll bring you back in a second. Alright, what I've done is I've just drilled this hole where this axle just barely fits in there. I can screw it up in there, which is what I want. I'm going to take a little super glue and deal with that. Now I'm going to make the outer wheel. I must get me a scale right quick. And this is Durlin, so I don't have to be fussy about the speeds of this. I'm going to make this wheel about 1/8 inch wide, a little wider than the original. Well, still have a through hole to it. Well, that's fine. Through hole won't matter. I wasn't really planning on it, but then after I decided it's me, okay, we'll just drill out another one. Now I've got to make a duplicate of this. So off camera we go. Okay, there is the trash can wheels. something of my finest work. One granddaughter satisfied. What I did is, I was going to do something completely different. I ended up having to remake these, turn them down smaller, and so the wheels are out a little more than they were originally. But that's what you got to do. One happy granddaughter, hopefully. Hey, this is a short. It might get put on my slop in the shops. Little plastic trash can that my granddaughter had, and the trash can had a broke wheel. The youngest grandson broke the wheel, and she was having a conniption fit. And the oldest grandson says, "Papa can fix this. Grandpa will fix it." So Grandpa fixed it. I just turned out some wheels right quick, and I showed you a little video of it. Enjoy. Gotta love grandkids. Thank you for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed what we did here in the shop. I'm going to use a disclaimer. This is my method in my shop, what I deem to be the best method. But now, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And the comments who will give me, will be answered, and sometimes give me ideas how to be better at what we're doing and making videos. So, again, I'm going to thank you for subscribing, or thank you for viewing. If you're not a subscriber, please do, and join the people who are giving me some subscriptions to try to get to these magic numbers to grow the channel. I'm going to do videos where I ever get monetized or not, because I do the videos because I love them. But I would like to get a little chance at getting a little bit of revenue off the ads that you're forced to watch when you come to these channels on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, tell your friends, anybody that's interested, spread the word. And we'll see you in the next video that we're making something new and having fun in the shop. So enjoy.